Hello, do you know that the SI unit for angle is not the degree? It's the radian. So what's a radian? Let's consider the sector of a circle. So a sector of a circle must always have a radius r, arc length s, subtended by an angle theta. So by definition, the angle of a sector is equals to the ratio of the arc length divided by the radius of the sector. How many radians does this look like to you? Can't really tell, but it looks like less than 1 radian because this length is shorter than this length. So what would 1 radian look like? So we should be thinking of a sector whose arc length is exactly the same as its radius. So it looks roughly like 60 degrees, but 1 radian is actually 57.29 blah 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 degrees. So what about 360 degrees? How many radian would 360 degrees be? So the sector subtended by 360 degrees would be the entire circle, isn't it? So 360 degrees in radians will be equals to 2 pi r divided by r, because the arc length would then be the circumference of the circle. That's why 2 pi r. So it looks like 360 degrees is 2 pi radians, which means 180 degrees is pi radian, which means 90 degrees is pi over 2 radians, and 45 degrees is pi over 4 radians, which means we can do all the conversions based on simple proportion. So what would 30 degrees be in radians? You can calculate it this way. So I can divide it by 180 degrees times a pi, because pi is 180 degrees. On the other hand, what is 3 radians in degrees? So you can do 3 divided by pi times 180 degrees. So this is how we do conversions between radians and degrees. That's all. Ta-ta!